Just after the announcement of a more affordable new tier, Google One's AI Ultra plans have been a tiny bit confusing for those looking to switch, but Google's updating the process to make things a bit more clear. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech updates. During Google I/O 2026 last week, the top-end AI Ultra plan for Google One was split in two and became a $200 per month plan with 30 times the usage limits and 30 TB of storage, and a second $100 per month plan with lesser limits in storage, but still far more AI compute compared to lesser offerings. The two plans technically share the same AI Ultra plan, although which is why it was quickly pointed out that Google's upgrade flow didn't really do much to show the difference between the two offerings. It just doubled price tag for a fraction of the added storage that price suggested. Vikas Kansal, Google's lead for Gemini AI subscriptions, confirmed that a change has started rolling out to make this all a bit more clear. Google One AI Ultra plans now directly to show the amount of AI usage you get alongside the storage allotment at the time you're looking to upgrade your plan. No clicking to see more benefits, just a clear difference between the two offerings. Of course, it's still easy to point out that these plans should probably just have different names in the first place, but assuming that's not changing, this seems like a good way to meet in the middle. So the next time you think about changing your plan, Google will present information about them more clearly, like it's on a plate. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.